Hi, it's Rob here again, and I just wondered if it was possible to sculpt in HTML in hypertext markup language. And, well, I knew it was possible. I just thought I'd do it. And so I have. I'm using Mozilla, that's Firefox, the browser. I'm using Tilt 3D, which is it's actually part of the web development extensions which come with Firefox. You can do 3D versions of web code. And then I wrote some web code. It looks like what you can see on the screen. In fact, it's exactly what you see on the screen, although, to be honest, it looks a little bit more like that. Now that's pretty dull. So I thought I'd make it a bit more interesting by turning it into an image. So I turn on the Tilt 3D, and eventually we'll see it in 3D with a bit of luck. Okay, so here I am. I'm turning it into a 3D representation of the code. And you aren't impressed yet, but maybe if I turn it around. So what do you reckon? These are just block quotes and div tags and various bits and pieces. I did slap an image in there as well, so it's not entirely HTML, but it's a web page, and there you go. I've given it form, so I reckon I've sculpted. So it's up to you to judge whether that's worthwhile, interesting, or not. But you can see, to me, it's quite fascinating. And maybe if you're interested in HTML and 3D representations of web pages, then it would interest you as well. So there you are. That's my 3D version of that code I just showed you. And by the way, with Tilt 3D, the extension, don't use the inbuilt native web development tools. Add on the 3D Tilt itself, or Tilt 3D, and then you've got export to 3D models.obj, object models, and with that the world opens up enormously. So anyway, that's enough for now. Thanks for watching. Rob out.